In today's tutorial you are going to learn how to make a circular progress bar for your Vitas-like reaction or explainer videos using Wondershare Filmora.
Hi, I'm here in Napa for your project homes to deliver you the weather for today. We have a 60% chance of drive-bys mixed with a thunderstorm of bullets. We have a 40% chance of repo of your food stamps. We have a 20% chance of baby mama drama and a 10% chance of you not knowing who your baby father is. Off to you, Carl.
Start by dragging down a text title. Then click Advanced to edit. Delete the text. Go to the top left corner to drag down a circle. Also delete its text. Scroll down to hide every other features except shape border. Pick white or any color, then increase thickness to 30 and adjust to the center as shown. Now take a snapshot. Again click the text. Advance, then change its color to green and take another snapshot, again making 2 snapshots. Further delete the text title on the timeline, then drag down the white outline circle and extend depending on the duration of your video, but here I extend to 18 seconds. Now click the snapshot to apply single lined mask and change rotation to 180 degrees as shown above. Now copy and paste above. Then go to Mask to animate rotation from 0 to 360 as shown above with keyframes. Since the duration of the snapshot is 18 seconds, move playhead to 9 seconds, which is half, then split and delete the rest. When you preview you will notice it isn't 360 rotation yet. So now move back the playhead to 9 seconds, which is half, then drag down the green color and extend to the end. Then apply a single line mask. Make sure the rotation is at 0. Highlight, then move up to drag down green color from stock media to track 1, then extend. Afterward preview. Now it gives 360 degree rotation, then export. Now delete everything on the timeline and import the exported file. Drag down any video, then split and delete at 18 seconds since the circle progress bar is 18 seconds. Afterward, copy and paste the video above.
Now go to Effect to apply square blur to the first snapshot on track 1. Hide track 2, then click Snapshot to adjust blur to 12. Unhide track 2. Click the video, apply circle mask. Scroll down to adjust the width. Height and position of where the subject face is a bit to look round. To move the mask, go transform and adjust the position where you want the mask to be on the screen. Now drag down the circular progress bar imported. Afterward apply chroma keys to remove the green background screen. Further scroll down to reduce edge feathering to minimum. Click the second video. Go to Mask to adjust around the circle outline, and for clear visibility you can hide track 1. Preview. I noticed I need to adjust it a little to the center, so I went to Transform. Unhide track 1. To blur the edges of the mask, click the video, go to Mask, scroll down, then increase blur strength to 5. Now edges blends with the background. Done, but adding a text title isn't bad. Thanks for watching. Note you can make a circular progress bar of any color. Just the same procedure. Have a lovely great day.
Hi, I'm here in Napa Project Homes to deliver you the weather for today. We have a 60% chance of drive-bys mixed with a thunderstorm of bullets. We have a 40% chance of repo of your food stamps. We have a 20% chance of baby mama drama and a 10% chance of you not knowing who your baby father is. Off to you, Carl.